Hi there guys, my name is Danielle. You can call me Dani and welcome to my channel. Today I am here with Bianca and she is a makeup artist, well soon to be certified makeup artist from Ulta Beauty. Now if you don't know what Ulta Beauty is, it is a makeup retailer that not only sells makeup but they also sell skincare, hair care, and all that like good stuff to help you with beauty. So tell us a little about yourself, Bianca.
Yeah, I work at Ulta, of course. I've been working there for about 2 years. I'm going to school for aesthetics and I graduate in May and I'm super excited to be an esthetician.
Awesome. Okay, so previously I did Bianca's makeup. She really loved it and I really loved it. I love how it turned out. But now I am gonna get my makeup professionally done by Bianca. Like she said earlier, she is gonna graduate in May, which means that she will be certified to be a professional makeup artist. Alrighty, anything else you want to add?
Disclaimer, I'm not amazing, so don't expect a lot.
Alrighty guys, let's get started. Hi guys, sorry to interrupt this program, but I have a little announcement I want to make. I am, what's it called? Entering, I guess. I am entering the benefit brow search, so I would really appreciate it if you head to my Instagram. The link is down below and also right here, so you can check it out real quick. And basically what it is that benefit chooses 20 people from the US. I think it's just the US, or it could be around the world. I honestly don't know. But they are choosing 20 people, content creators slash makeup artists, to go to New York and learn how to do brows and such things like that. And the grand prize winner gets a sort of like contract with Benefit Cosmetics. So I know we are a small family, but this could be, oh boy, I can't talk today. This could be an amazing opportunity for us. So please go ahead and go to my Instagram, click on all my pictures that have to do with my eyebrows, and yes, show the support, tag Benefit, and yeah, it's really exciting just to be nominated, guys. Let's make it to the finals. Let's be one of those 20 people. Okay, thank you guys so much. I love you so much. Back to the regular Dani.
We're starting out with Danielle's favorite. She likes to prime with a Wet n Wild hydrating stick and the e.l.f. hydrating drops, boosted drops.
All right, we're done.
There you go, that's it. That's professional for you. So Danielle does her makeup opposite than I do. I usually start with the brows first, so I'm doing Benefit's Goof Proof Brow Pencil in 5. That's what my color is.
Mine too.
So what made you start to do makeup?
Let's see. It's my sophomore year of high school and I just started show choir. I got into it and then they had this whole meeting for all of us on just how to learn to do our makeup. And I was like, wait, we have to wear makeup? You know, because I was stupid. And and they gave us like just this huge bag of like e.l.f. makeup, which you guys know I love e.l.f. and that's what made me started loving e.l.f. They gave us this bag of e.l.f. and they showed us just how to do our makeup. And I was like, interesting, because I wasn't the biggest fan of makeup at the time. The only time I ever wore makeup was like really special events and for my quinceañera. Otherwise, never wore makeup. So then I would practice at home, and then I told my mom, I was like, Mom, I need to get something called foundation. And she's like, why do you need foundation? I'm like, because it's show choir. And she's like, okay. And so then she takes me to Von Maur, and she takes me to the Lancome booth, and they give me that double wear foundation. That was my first ever foundation. But by the time I was in my junior year, I was getting more and more into it because I practiced over the summer and stuff. And I just grew my makeup collection more. I started buying like MAC foundation. I found out that I really like MAC. I bought a lot more e.l.f. stuff because e.l.f. was, I don't know, e.l.f. was like the only brand in my head that was good. Because I tried like doing Wet n Wild and like other drugstore stuff, but they always were horrible. So then I only used e.l.f.
Well, then e.l.f. just made you start loving makeup too because you used it for...
Yeah, so e.l.f. is the reason why I started makeup too, yeah. And yeah, that's just how I started makeup.
I don't want that color in my look.
You're right.
And then we're going to use the James Charles palette. And we're going to go for a green look. So the next question is, what made you start to do YouTube?
Oh, good question. So, what was it? It was my senior year of high school, and I only had one elective left, which was a computer class. And basically what we did was we were supposed to write a blog. And if some of you are like my OG subscribers, you know that I used to have a blog called Danielle's Vanity. And I just talked about makeup and like my reviews and stuff like that. And then I liked it a lot, but I didn't feel like I connected enough with people. So then I decided to change it to YouTube. And I don't know, I just really liked the idea of YouTube. And lots of people think that I started it because I want to like get like rich or famous or whatever, but like I don't care about any of that stuff. Because I have like my own dreams, my own jobs. Like I know what I want to be when I grow up. Like I know what I'm going to college for and stuff like that. And YouTube is just like something fun. Like I love makeup. I love life in general. Because I technically don't count myself as part of the beauty community because although I do makeup, I don't just focus on makeup. I also focus like just on life and, you know, just fun things as well.
Hauls.
Yeah, hauls. Love my hauls.
Love them.
And yeah, I just want to be sort of like an outlet for people because I know back when I was in high school and, you know, the stress of school and like extracurriculars and getting into college and all that stuff definitely was like a big weight on me. And one of the ways to, you know, sort of just relax and stuff was to watch YouTubers. And so I really wanted to be that for someone or for everyone that I can and just be sort of someone that people can hope to see and hope to look up for. And I just really like that idea because my whole life I've always been someone who really loves people and someone just to help everyone as much as I can. And so then the way I feel like I can do that with everyone or as many people as I can is through YouTube, and I'm so grateful for YouTube for allowing me to become that person.
Very nice. I like that. Touch my heart. Who is your favorite YouTuber? Like, who is your OG favorite YouTuber? And then who is your now favorite YouTuber?
My OG is, of course, Patrick Star. He is the very first one that I started watching. No, not watching. I started watching when I was learning how to do my makeup during show choir, and I just loved his personality, the way he talked, just like the way he was just so chill with everyone. And I don't know, I just really love him in every aspect, and I still love him to this day. And for my most favorite right now, I wouldn't say I have like a top favorite one, because now that I am older and have more of like a broader spectrum of YouTube, I just love every one that I watch because of their different personalities and their different ways of life. So like I don't know, like I love James, for example. I love James because he does lots of bold looks, which is something that I love to do, is I like to do a lot of bold looks as well. And we're like, one reason why I like to watch Manny is because he likes to act all funny and is very open-minded and like open-hearted about his like makeup and stuff. And like the reason why I like Jeffree Star is because he's like, he gives it like 100%. He doesn't give like a care about what anybody else thinks, and I love that because sometimes you see a lot of influencers are influenced by like their money or by how much they're gonna get paid by what they post or something. Jeffree Star doesn't care, and that's what I love because I that's me.
I'm very going for a very very green, very monochromatic look. Monochromatic.
We love a wide variety of language here. I had no idea where I was going with that.
That vocab.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant. Okay, so we actually went off camera and we finished the look because we were having some technical difficulties. So Bianca, just tell them what you did to finish up the look.
Yeah, so all I did was to finish it was that shimmery shade, guac. I put it on the eyelids and then just blended in with some black, which is spooky.
Awesome. So, what are we doing next?
We are gonna do your foundation.
I love that for me.
Same. So who's your favorite makeup brand?
I would say, so,
Other than Elf.
oh dang. So obviously for low end, it's gonna be Elf. I never have like a single prestige brand that I always go to. And I don't know. Honestly, I would probably say Benefit because they have my favorite Hoola bronzer. They also have the Gimme Brow, the Goof Proof pencil. They just have a lot of things that I like and a lot of things that I haven't tried yet that I would really love to try. So yeah, and they're killing the game with launches so far. Like they came out with the new roller liner, that new like cheer palette or whatever.
Oh, the new one.
Yeah. So it's they're really killing it so far. So yeah, I would say probably they're my favorite right now.
I started bronzing her up with the butter bronzer from Physicians Formula.
So for the viewers out there who might not know what rosacea is, what is rosacea?
So rosacea is like a mild acne. It gets red in this area and then little bumps come up, but they're not acne, like they're not papules or pustules, like, or as in like regular terms, whiteheads or blackheads. They're just bumps. And they itch sometimes, so it kind of gets annoying, but like with really good skincare you can like fix it.
Oh, okay, cool.
So it's not bad. Put it on the high points of her face. Don't look so but I'm hungry.
We have been filming for, what time is it? We've been filming for 3 o'clock. For almost 4 hours.
Yeah,
because we started in 12.
We did.
And we're gonna still film more because this girl wants to film some more. I got her
Mukbang.
Mukbang.
Should we not give them a...
I don't care.
Oh, mukbang!
We're gonna do a mukbang, however you call it. It's gonna be my first one on this channel, and we'll see how it goes. So don't hate me.
It'll be fun. You guys will have fun. And then lastly, the lips. We're gonna do... You're gonna have to keep that in there.
I know. I just thought about that.
So we're gonna use Fenty Beauty. Uncuffed. Sorry, I'm blind, even with my glasses.
Me.
Since this is hers, I don't have to sanitize and use a brush, so. Okay, so we finished her lipstick. She's a little pale, but that's okay. It's my fault.
No, that's just me.
Okay. So my last question is, like, what do you think how do you think YouTube's gonna go for you?
Well, I honestly don't know. But what I hope to be is just to grow this family more and just being able to reach out to more people as much as I can. Of course, I don't hope to get a job out of this, but I just hope to be able to influence as many people as I can and be able to actually call myself an influencer for people.
I like that. That'll be fun. It'll be fun. Good times.
All right, so now I'm actually gonna look at myself. Are we all done with the look?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna look at myself, guys. Oh wow, I'm so pale. Just kidding. It's interesting. So it's definitely different than how I do my makeup. It's a little more blush than what I usually put because you guys know, don't really like the blush, but it's fine. Definitely wouldn't really pair this color with the eye look, but it's good. I like it.
You mean the lip color?
That's what I said. What did I say?
I don't know. I was gonna say.
But yeah, overall it's really good. This for like professional. I mean, obviously it's gonna be good, but
Not professional.
Almost professional.
Almost professional.
But
working on it. Professional.
it's good. Like, I can definitely learn some things from this, especially with like the natural brow. I don't really do natural brows. I like the bold bold black brow. So yeah, that's interesting. Thank you so much to Bianca for coming and joining me on today.
Thank you for having me. It was a lot of fun. We had fun doing makeup.
Yeah,
Always fun.
Yeah. Alrighty. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below so I know. And if you're not already, subscribe to my channel. I post every Friday. And make sure to hit that bell notification so you know when I upload my next video. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you next Friday. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notifications. Make sure to give this video a like and follow all my social media. The links will be down below as usual. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you next Friday.